A monster. Okay. All right. What do you think? So the last story. Oh, David, go ahead.
Alien.
Alien. Okay, good. So the chapter yesterday, we left off. Miss Fleek was crying, and the students don't know why, and they're very confused. What do you think is going to happen in this chapter today? What do you think will happen? Somebody who hasn't spoke yet. What do you think will happen? Sunny.
I think Miss Fleek was very sad. Then she suddenly have a photo. She had a photo message, and she opened it and looked for it. It says that because Miss Fleek cannot open the class because the key was bad. The lock was changed. So Miss Fleek need to talk to the principal, and she needs to get a right key.
Very good. All right. Thank you, Sunny. So he's got a good idea. He's got to go find the key and get the right key. Let's go to the story and find out. Chapter 3. Turn your mics off. Thank you. All right. Okay, I see everybody's face. That's very good. We're listening. All right, we got another diary entry, another letter from a younger Miss Fleek. November 1st, 1969. I had the dream again. I'm in the science lab, but this time it was different. Someone was in there with me. I couldn't see who it was. The person was using a microscope and pouring liquid from a beaker. The person was glowing green. The person was glowing green. Where am I asked. Right where you should be, Emily, the figure said back. You finally found your way. I started to go toward the figure. I could feel my heart beating, even in my dream. Then I woke up. Oh, I am writing this down as soon as I woke up. Otherwise, I might not believe it. No one would. When I woke up from the dream, I had a key in my hand. What? All right, so Miss Fleek had a dream of somebody using a microscope, and the person was glowing green all over. And then she woke up, and there's a key in her hand in real life. Amazing. Miss Fleek, I said, I was the first person in the room, as usual. You opened the door. For the first time, there were microscopes on every table. I noticed changes with Miss Fleek right away, too. No dark circles, shirt smoothed and tucked in, and a single key hung on a chain around her neck. I found my way, MJ, Miss Fleek said. Her mouth smiled, but it wasn't the same smile she had yesterday. Oh. Okay, all right. Chapter 3 is finished. Now let's go chat. We'll save chapter 4 for tomorrow. How do you think Miss Key got the key to the lab room? How did she get that key? Rudy.
Mickey
She got a key. How did she get the key?
I think
No, the story tells us how she got it. When did she get it? How did she get it?
she go to the嗯，老师校长怎么说呀？
Principal.
She go to principal.
Rudy, did you listen to the story? Why? You don't care?
No, some English I don't know.
Well, you got the pictures and then you can ask questions. That's not a good excuse, Rudy. Your English is good enough. I don't think you were listening. How did she get the key? Brilliant.
She got a dream, and a green people said you found your way, and when she woke up, the key was in her hand.
Yes, she mysteriously got the key in her hand when she was sleeping. Rudy, are you listening?
I think because the key is in her mind when she found her way, the key is in her hand.
Yeah, okay, so how do you think the key got in her hand? We don't know yet. We don't know. She had a dream. She woke up. The key was in her hand. And then she goes to school. She's happy. The door opens. How did the key get in her hand? What do you think? We don't know yet, but what do you think? How do you think she got the key? Harvey.
Maybe the people in her dream is real, and the people gave the key to him.
Oh, okay. All right. Very good. Anybody else have a thought? Jason. Can't hear you, Jason. Jason? How'd she get the key? What do you think?
Because when he came to classroom and he get the key and he's sharing.
Okay, all right. Thank you, Jason. Okay, we're gonna start our mini lesson and then we'll take a little break and then we're gonna do like yesterday, you're gonna do math work and I'm gonna go into a private room with people to help them with their work, okay? So first, let me show you what we're doing today. It's pretty easy. All right. Everybody, please listen. We're going to do a little bit of math right now, okay? This is very important. It's not hard, but if you don't listen, it will be hard, okay? And then everyone will look like dum-dums. So we don't want to look like dum-dums. All right. It's okay if you have questions. It's okay if you don't understand right away. Only dum-dums don't listen. It's okay if you don't understand. Let's go again now. All right. Okay, here we go. So what we're doing is something called comparing fractions. Now that just means this, which fractions are greater or smaller? Okay, which ones are bigger, which ones are smaller, right? So if I have, let's say I have these fractions here. Boom, boom. We have, this is 0, and this is what? What number is this? Always.
1.
Very good, 1. And in the middle are in-betweens. Oh, that's not very even, sorry. Let's go. 1, right in the middle. 2. All right, so right here we have maybe 1, let's say 1 over 4, 2 over 4, 3 over 4. You see that? Now, if I say I want to compare 1 over 4 and 3 over 4. So, which of these two fractions is greater?
3/4.
Ooh, very smart. So, 3 over 4 is great. Oh, sorry. Is greater than 1 over 4, right? 3 over 4 is greater than 1 over 4. The simple rule. Now you can see it on the line. It's much bigger like that. So like, and if I did a drawing, let's try another Mr. McGee drawing here. If we did this as a pie, and it's 4, and it's 1 over 4, that has a little bit of pizza. This one, I'm an artist. I know I'm a very good artist. This one has 1, 2, 3 pieces of pizza. Obviously, the bigger one is 3 over 4, right? We understand this? Thumbs up, give me a thumbs up if this is okay for you. Okay, good. Now, the simple rule here, very simple rule. If you don't have any pictures or anything like that to show you, when the denominators look at that. When the denominators are the same, if the numerator is bigger, then that's greater. So the denominators are the same. We automatically look at the numerators, 3 and 1. So which one's greater? 3. So that means 3 over 4 is greater than 1 over 4, right? Yeah? Very good, okay. Let's try. Oh, where's my game? Nope. Nope. Aha. Okay, let's try this now. Can everybody see this little thing here? So we have these little greater than, smaller than signs and an equal. Now look at here, these two fractions. Can you see these two fractions? Thumbs up if you can see these two fractions.
Mr. Monkey, I cannot see anything.
Oh,
I cannot see anything too. I see so many white.
I see a
can
whiteboard.
you see now?
I just see a white page, whiteboard.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
I
Let me
see white page too.
How about now? Nothing?
Nothing. I just see Mr. McGee's head.
Yes, I see Mr. McGee's face.
What about now?
Now is Mr. McGee's, there is math.
Okay, do you see this top? It says
I can see
compare
now.
fractions with the same denominator, right? You got it? Thumbs up if you see me or see it. Okay, right here. We have bigger, greater than, smaller than, equal signs. Okay, so I'll do the first one and then I'm gonna get you guys to help me do the next one. Now look here, I have 2. Which we wanna see? Which one's greater, which one's smaller? The denominators are the same. So what does that mean? The bigger numerator, 2 is bigger. So I'm gonna put this one right there. That means bigger over here, smaller over here, right? Yeah? Okay.
Out of this world.
Out of this world. Next. Who's gonna try this one? Raise your hand. Berlin. Tell me which fraction is greater than. So say the fraction is greater than fraction. Say it like that. Microphone.
Fraction
So you just say,
60 over 50 is greater than 60 over 40.
whoa, 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 whoa. 15 over 16 is greater than 14 over 16. Is that what you mean, Berlin? Yes? You can say thumbs up. I can see you.
Correct.
Okay, who's next? Who wants to try next? Beyond, I got a question. Don't say anything yet. Which fraction is smaller?
2/3.
Why?
Because the denominator is the same and the numerator is smaller.
Very good.
Awesome.
Who's next? Raise your hands if you want to try. Jason's turn. Jason. Okay, Rudy.
They were equals.
Very good. They're the same. That means they're equal. Very good. Equal. 2 over 14 is equal to 2 over 14. They're the same.
Yes.
Jason, turn your microphone on. Let's try it again.
5/8 is bigger.
Excellent. 5/8 is bigger.
Yes.
Justin, which one is smaller?
The 5/7 is smaller because the numerator is different. Numerator is same.
The denominator is the same. The numerator is smaller there, so yes.
All right.
All right. Who's trying the next one? David? Which one's bigger? Which fraction is greater?
7.
Say the sentence. 5/7 is greater than?
5/7 is greater than 4/7.
Very good.
Awesome.
Any more we got here? Okay, we got more. Harvey's turn. Harvey, then Judy. Which one is greater, Harvey? Which one is greater?
12/9 is greater than 12/6.
Say it differently. 9/12 is greater than 6/12. Don't say the denominator.
9/12 is greater than 6/12.
Perfect.
Nice.
Judy, which one is smaller? Can't hear you.
6 out of 20 is smaller.
Then 6 out of 20 is smaller than?
8 over 20.
All right.
Excellent. Thank you. All right. We'll stop that. Now, what happens? Now, the denominator one is easy, right? When the denominator is the same, it's pretty easy which one's smaller, which one's bigger. What happens when the numerators are the same, but the denominators are different? So 1 over, so say 1 over 2 and 1/3. Which one is bigger? Beyond.
1/2.
1/2 is bigger. Yes, yes, yes. Because look at this. If we have 2 pies, all of this is 1/2, right? And 1/3, I'm not a very good drawer, I know. 1/3 is just this much. So that means 1/2 is bigger than 1/3. So when the numerators are the same and the denominators are different, the smaller denominator, which is 2 here, is the bigger one. So when the numerator, it's like a switched role. So let's practice. 4/5 and 4/8. Who can tell me which one is bigger? Raise your hand. Sunny.
4/5.
Because the denominator is the smaller one. Very good. Okay, Judy's turn. Hey, turn your mic off. Judy's turn. We got 6/7 and 6/8. Which one is smaller? Judy?
Six over 7.
Is what?
6/7.
Is
Bigger.
6/7 is bigger. Very good, because it has the smaller denominator. A little confusing, right? Who wants to try one? Raise your hand. Who wants to try one? Bulin? Okay, put your mic on. Let's go 8/10 and 8/9. Which one is bigger? Greater. Sorry, in math we use greater. Oh, very good. Okay, okay, okay. All right. Are you all good with this stuff? We're going to take a break. When we come back, we're going to do some math work, and I'm going to go into private rooms with some students, okay? Beyond, Harvey, Belin, Rudy, and Sunny. Who did I just say names? Raise your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rudy, did I say your name? Then raise your hand, Rudy. You're not listening. Jeez. You 5 are going to do a breakout room with me. So when you come back from the break, have your paragraph 1 and paragraph 2 ready to write on, because we're going to do corrections together, okay? If it's only on computer, Harvey, you did it on computer again. You need to put that on paper. Do you understand, Harvey? Okay. And yeah, okay. We'll do a break time now. We'll come back in 15 minutes, 9:50, 9:50. Thumbs up if you understand, 9:50. Okay, 15 minutes break. See you soon.